You hear his little noises? Look, he's back to normal. He just knocked himself out this morning. Yeah, I know. It's food time. I'm going to get you some food. I'm going to get you food. I just come to see if you're okay. Aww. Hey? What am I going to do with you? You go in the other cage, you hurt your wing. Don't know how that happens. You go in this cage, you fall off and knock yourself out. You're a bit of a mischievous little monkey. So you just have to finish my other cage, Papa. Just hurry up and finish my big cage. He loves playing around. That hurts a lot. Can we stop? I can't get your food.